At some point, you may have asked yourself, what exactly is the cloud? Well, the cloud is a term used to refer to a network of physical, I repeat, physical computers that are in a remote location which are connected to the internet. These computers provide a variety of services which include access to data, applications, and other services. For instance, a cloud computer could provide access to data like files, pictures, documents, or applications like Microsoft Word or even Adobe Suite. They can even offer services, for instance, setting up your own phone network, like a company, which you can do just simply using a mobile phone, and cloud computers provide the entire infrastructure for you. Customers or friends can call in and you can have them press 1 to be directed to the CEO, press 2 to be directed to customer services, and so on and so forth. These services are often given technical names by companies like Google and Amazon. You would see terms like SaaS, PaaS, or even IaaS. Simply put, these are just technical ways of saying that these computers can provide access to data, they can provide access to applications, or they can provide access to services. These options offer huge advantages over traditional ways of using IT solutions. It is more cost effective as companies don't have to invest in hardware or software required for an in-house IT infrastructure. Additionally, the cloud is more flexible than traditional IT solutions as it allows companies to quickly scale up or down as demand for their services or products change. These benefits offer individuals and companies the ability to access their data from anywhere in the world. For instance, perhaps you are a student doing a degree, maybe your master's, your PhD, and you take a trip to the Caribbean. You don't want to take your brand new laptop with you for whatever reason. While you're in the Caribbean, you find yourself with some time and you'd like to work on your paper. If your paper is stored in the cloud, for instance with Microsoft Office Suite, you can then use any computer or device you have access to and make modifications to your paper. On your return home, you can use your personal laptop or PC and pick up right where you left off. All your progress would be saved that you made while you were on vacation. However, one major concern with using the cloud is security. People often are concerned about storing their information, personal documents, photos, with some third party on a remote computer. However, interestingly, companies like Amazon and Google tout these services as being more secure. They may have a point. I mean, would it be easier for a hacker to access Netflix's database of movies? On the cloud, yes, Netflix does store all those movies using Amazon AWS cloud service. Than it is perhaps for that same hacker to access a database of files that a company stores at their local warehouse. Or would it be easier for a hacker to access your files, for instance your photos or videos on Apple's cloud or on your personal iPhone? In both situations, these files are stored on physical devices. In one situation on Apple servers, in the other on your personal mobile phone. The would-be hacker or thief could access your mobile phone and compromise your files, whereas it may be more difficult for them to access Apple servers physically. However, using the internet, if both devices are online, a hacker could circumvent online security and access Apple servers or access your mobile phone while it's connected to the internet. weighing up both of these situations, you may or may not think one situation is more secure than the other. It is perhaps better to think about these situations on a case-by-case basis rather than perhaps saying the cloud is safer or personal storage is a better option. What do you think? I'll leave you with another thought. It is quite common for individuals to store their passwords online. It's convenient, it's easy. For instance, Google Password Manager or LastPass Manager. These services allow users to seamlessly log into their accounts while surfing the internet. Your passwords are stored in the cloud in a remote location, as opposed to perhaps with you on your personal computer or in your head. Now, in this situation, do you think your passwords are more secure in the cloud or they are more secure being stored locally? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts.